Hey makers, it's Charlotte with the Wooden Wick Co. And today I'm talking about how to get the most out of your scent throw. It's a question I see all the time and makers are worried about if their scent is strong enough or not. Customers are most often choosing their candles and other products based off of scent, and it's also the thing that keeps customers loyal to your products and coming back for more. So, that being said, the next question we ask ourselves is how do we get an amazing scent throw? The first and foremost thing that you can do is use a high quality fragrance oil. Using a fragrance oil that is diluted or very inexpensive, which most likely also means it's diluted, is going to lead to a subpar scent throw. So you'll find that the Wooden Wick Co. fragrances are all formulated for superior scent throw, and they will provide you with a strong and powerful scent throw. So first and foremost, again, make sure you're using a high quality fragrance oil. Buy it from a reputable supplier. They should be able to provide you with a safety data sheet as well as skin safety information for your fragrance oil. If they don't have that information at minimum, then they're probably not a reputable fragrance supplier. Next, depending on what type of item you're making, whether it's a candle or a diffuser, your base is going to play the next biggest role in your scent throw. So with a candle, I highly suggest using a wax that's notorious for an excellent scent throw. 100% soy wax is one of those that can be really challenging with scent throw, so something with a little bit of paraffin in it typically is going to boost that scent throw and give you a more powerful fragrance. Our virgin coconut soy, cocoa apricot cream, and beeswax cocoa cream all offer incredible scent throw. I suggest using 9 to 10% fragrance load with any three of those waxes that I mentioned. With other waxes, you can check the maximum fragrance load that wax can hold. However, keep in mind, more is not always more when it comes to fragrance. Some fragrances you may find throw much better at 8% than at 12% based on how your candle is burning, how quickly your melt pool is forming, and how the fragrance is being dispersed into the environment. So on that note as well, adding more and more fragrance to your candle also isn't safe. It can leach out of your wax and it can become a fire hazard, and you're also spending a lot of money in fragrance in your candle if you go up to very high percentages, such as 15%, for example. If you are making a diffuser, again, your base is going to play the biggest part in your scent throw, so find a base that is known for an awesome scent throw, choose a high quality fragrance, and that's going to be a recipe for great scent throw. With diffusers specifically, you can add more reeds to boost the scent throw, or you can do a little trick I call the dip and flip. So when you're making a diffuser, this one's already made, but basically you would pour your liquid into the diffuser vessel, you would dip your reeds into the diffuser, and you're just gonna flip them, and that's gonna like fast forward your scent throw into the room. The fragrance is now going to be at the top of your reeds, and it's more rapidly going to disperse into the atmosphere. So for diffusers, you can do the dip and flip. For candles as well, choose high quality fragrance, choose a high quality base, and make sure that you're letting your candle cure long enough so that the molecules in your candle have fully stopped moving and you'll get an accurate read on your scent throw. So for any of our waxes, we suggest letting them cure for 2 to 3 days. That's going to let the wax and fragrance molecules fully come into solid form and stop moving. That's going to give you a better scent throw than if you do a burn test very quickly after your candle has cooled. Also, many of our makers swear by curing your candle with a lid on it. So there's not too much science behind that. However, in our industry, it's something our community has said has really helped them. So any tips that we get that we think may help you guys, we always want to share them with you. If you guys have any other tips on how to get the most out of your scent throw, please leave them in the comments below so that the rest of the community can benefit from them as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!